So I think we have time to talk about maybe one more thing. I'd like to maybe touch upon this emerging trends, which you mentioned in your introduction, I believe, about moving towards lab orchestration. So until now, scheduling and schedulers have primarily focused on automating a single workflow or a set of workflows, or enabling the ability to create different workflows and change them. But what we start to see is a shift towards automating entire laboratories and even entire sites. So Emma, what are some of the trends and some of the things you've seen customers talk about when it comes to lab orchestration?
One of the things we're seeing is that within big pharma, DD&A and automation are increasingly being put as one of the key pillars for strategic goals. And what that is enabling is more of an opportunity within the organization to think out the box about medium and long-term plans for out-the-box automation hubs. So maybe as an example, one of the big pharmas that we've been working closely with has 3 sites in the world where they want to do a whole set of similar processes. So thousands of square feet of lab space, and they're wanting to run a process across all of those labs, orchestrated in a manner that links to their ELNs, their LIMS systems, their AI and DD&A models. And what we see is that these proposals need the next level of scheduling for automation. And perhaps, João, you could share some of the needs and some of the solutions that Automata have in mind to solve some of these problems.
Yeah, so what this requires is a level of scheduling above just a workflow, and a process scheduler that connects things and links things across workflows, across labs, potentially across sites. And it also then requires, as we touched upon earlier with data integration, it requires a really strong set of abilities to integrate with LIMS, to integrate with the different tech stacks that these customers have, because at this lab orchestration level, your automation can't live in isolation and needs to communicate with everything beyond even just LIMS. We could talk about integrating with notification systems, so you know on Slack when things are done and when things are running, or with other like custom data pipelines that customers may have built, and even with other automation products, right? If you've invested a lot of money into a certain automation solution, and then you acquire a different one, if you're thinking about the lab orchestration level, you want these to be communicating and to be working together. So this is really kind of a new set of tools and a new set of powerful tools that need to be available to enable this shift. So yeah, that was a really great answer, super insightful, so thank you so much.